This is Lucy with WTI. Looking for some glossy white plant stands? Here they are. These pots are removable from their gold stand, and they're super lightweight, as you can see. This is a small one, and the bigger one over here is still lightweight. And I want to show you this beautiful glossy white design. Very modern, very sleek and chic. I just think it's beautiful. These plants are tropical, so the fact that I can transport them outside and they're lightweight is a huge plus for me. The other thing I like about these plant stands is that I can remove my pots from them. And as you can see, my mom, who's usually my caretaker, she loves to bring them out and give them a little water bath. These plant stands also came with a plastic. In the event that you overwater your plants, it goes into this plastic for safety, and you don't get it all over your floors if you keep your plants indoors. These beautiful white glossy plant stands will look beautiful anywhere, and that's my point of view.